par. Bola. Score, kids. Kids. Score. Lapipas. Oh. Meron. Oh. Sayang. Kaya naman, ganun lang. Hindi gumapit sa patalim. Pitik-pitik ka lang, no? Oy. Basic kick. Kuya Roy with the counter attack. Pass to Ramos for three. Ramos. Three. Pass break. Pass to Rukawa with the pass break. Oh my god. Piano pass to number 1. Pass to number 30. Number 30 pass to number 30. Francisco Halos. Moving discounting. Hanap ng papasahan. Nasakay. Manong magaling. Pass to number 30. Oh my god. What a move by number 30. Ramos being the bottom. Number 19. Scotland, pull up. Oh my God, dalawa. Resting. Nag-dribble pa rin. Tumalon, binasa. Binasa ulit, binalik. Dalawa. Francisco with the jumper. Oh my God. Basic ang basket. Mamaya makikita niyo si Rongawa. Ayan o, ayan na. Ginulang ng side. Rep! Ginawa! Pass break. Lumpiano hinahabol pero hindi kinaya ng kanyang paa. Pass to Kuya Roy. Kuya Roy the 3-point. Oh my God, may tres pala si Kuya Roy. Parang sinabing ganun lang ka-basic ang basketball. Pass to number 30, Francisco. What the, oh my God, the 3-point shooter. Wala. Kuya Roy. Nag-aantay pag-pass back pero pinasay Kuya Resty. Binababa bola back to Kuya Roy. Kuya Roy with the 3-point again. Wala. Pahinga muna. Francisco pass to Lumpiano with the ball handling. Pass to number 30. Oh my God, what a goal. Kuya, naghahanap sa pass to Kuya Hart with the ball handling. Baba ng bola doon. Crossover. Pass to number 7 with the spin. Pass to number 90 with Salan with the floater. Oh my God, wala. Lumpiano ng bola. Lumpiano pop up ng 3. Short na lang. Kuya Resty, ibababa ng bola. Pass to Kuya Hart, 3 points. Oh my God, gano'n lang daw. Basic ang basketball. Atin pa yung mag-steal. Ito na, manong magaling. Skate. Tumira ng 3. Roy, pass to number 7. R&R. Favorite worker ko yun. Hold mo lang. 35. Score ko, RSD. Score. Kuyang magaling with the steal. Oh my God, look at the handles. Oh my God. Papaguluhin mo na ito. Yun lang, di kinaya. Shot na siyang mabigat. Score! All. Ha? Chill lamang. Tambak kayo? Kuyang magaling. Inbounding the ball. Pass to number 30. Back to Kuyang magaling. Pass to Francisco. Number 13. Francisco with the step back. Yun lang. Number 30. Back to Kuyang magaling. May tawag ang ating Curry. Pass to number 30. Hindi ko talaga mabasa yung pangalan niya. Sorry. Back to number 1. Back to Francisco with the popping, the ball handling. Back to number 30 with 3 points, Steph Curry. Sumasanib na si Steph Curry sa kanya. Pass to number 7. Ayun lang. Hold mo na lang. Number 7 inbounding the ball. Hold to Lumpiano. Pass to Hart with 3 points. Rebounded by Kuyang Magaling. Nagbababa ng bola. Tinira ng 3, wala man lang talon-talon. Ayun lang. Pagod na daw siya. Oh my God, what a drive by Mr. Hart. Number 1, nagbababa ng bola. Pass to number 30. Sasaniba ka pa ni Steph Curry. Tumira ng 3. Yun lang. Back to Kuya Magaling. What's that? Good, sabi ng ating referee. Oh my God, di ginamot ang kanyang height. Kulang ka sa height, Max. Pass to number 30. Back to number 1. Pass to Rubiano. Wala. Kuya Magaling, tinatry to remove the ball. Kaso naagaw. Dobling agaw. Oh my God, di na-shoot. Naagaw ulit. Nag-aagaw na lang tayo dito. Rubiano with the layup. Hindi gumapang. Kuya Resty, nagbababa ng bola. Miniskate, pass to Kuya Roy again with his sweet spot. Bam! Sweet spot yan, par. Hindi yan nagbibintes. No! Score po. 30-38. Okay, malapit na po tayo magsimula. Kuya Magaling with 3 points. Game ball. Okay, di counted. Forget the shot. Ayun. Okay, isa pa daw. Ulitin daw niya para sa inyo. Okay lang. Ulit daw. Ayun lang. Kuya Roy, nagkakalap ng papasahan. Wala, binabala lang ang bola. Pinasa kay number 7, pass to Hart. What a foul! Oh my God. Mukha na akong baliw dito. Pero okay lang. Para sa viewers. Pass to. Back to number 7. Number 7. Oh, Rubiano with the intercept. Pass break. Oh, what a layup. Kuya Roy, humihingi ng bola. Namamag-asa. Bumalik ulit sa kanyang sweet spot. Ngunit wala, hindi pala yun ang kanyang sweet spot. Doon pa sa may elbow. Kuya Magaling, nagbabalak pusin ang laban. Ulitin daw niya ang press para sa inyo. Ayan na, ayun lang, wala. Pass to Kuya Hart. Kuya Hart with the ball handling, trying to score. Oh, what a spin move! Ayun lang. Swap. Nice one. Pass to number 1. Number 1, tatapusin ang laban. Kuya Magaling. Pass to Rubiano with the loose ball but dribble. Pass to Kuya Magaling. Tapos ang laban. Ayun, di ba? Uy, what a spin! Kuya Resty. Pinakaba ang bola. 3 points. Oh my God! Isa pa. Balik. Shot. Boom, bola. Good. Number 1. Pass to Kuya Magaling. Tatapusin ang laban. Pass to number 30, pass to Francisco, tatapusin na ba? Eto na ba? Foul! Nakatawag ng ating referee. Check, 7:50 PM. Pusin nyo na, par. Laro pa kami. 3 minutes. Kuya Magaling! Oh my God! And that's it!